The silent period is a natural stage in language learning where children focus on listening and observing before speaking. This phase is essential for developing comprehension and confidence. During this time, children absorb the sounds, structures, and vocabulary of the new language, without yet producing it themselves. Parents can support this phase by immersing children in Mandarin through various media such as songs, videos, and interactive apps. Reading Mandarin books together and engaging in simple, everyday conversations also help build familiarity with the language. Celebrating small milestones, like recognizing words or following simple commands, encourages progress and boosts confidence. Children typically begin speaking Mandarin when they feel ready, showing signs such as repeating words, using simple phrases, or responding to basic questions. Patience and encouragement are crucial during this period, as pushing for speech too early can cause stress. This silent period lays the foundation for fluent language use, as the child gains a strong understanding of Mandarin before actively speaking it. With time, they will naturally transition from listening to speaking, gradually building their language skills. If you are interested in having your kid learn Chinese online, sign up for a free trial class by leaving a comment below, and we will contact you as soon as possible.